Hello everyone, welcome to James' marketing channel. Today James will present to everyone a tool for us to manage unlimited TikTok accounts. And today I'm going to show you how to warm up our TikTok accounts all automatic for getting the operational histories, and these accounts warm up by topic according to the content of the topic or the product we want those TikTok nick to follow. Then I will introduce everyone MKTT Pro software. This software will help we manage unlimited TikTok accounts. I have about 70 accounts. Everyone can enter hundreds or thousands of TikTok accounts. Let us be automated to do things we are usually do on TikTok, and to do that we can warm up TikTok accounts. We'll have two parts. The first is that we will have section go comment by keyword. This part will help us to warm up TikTok accounts according to a topic name that we want. Let those nicks go see the some niches content. 2. When we use it surfing FYP later, it will suggest according to the topic standard that we want. And then we'll have the part automatic interactive script. Then this automatic interaction part is I already have a script, and this script is like when we use TikTok normally, we'll have this like and follow section. Our goal is that there will be our accounts will be actions like a real person. Surfing and interact follow this for you page. That is, when we have prepared warm up by topic. The more we surf, the more standard the topic will be. So now I'm going to show you the first part. Keyword auto comment. For example, now I want for these accounts according to this crypto, for example, please comment on this keyword like trading crypto. Then I'll choose these accounts. All the ones. This setup is very basic. How many of these keywords are used per account? And see how much video. And I can be. It is automatically a comment. The content comment is here. And maybe set up some. The basic thing like that user we tag in. Our names can come in here. This part will be of great help to us. What we will do increase the brand awareness. I can go into those clip on this topic and I put my main channel in the comment. That's great. And now I'm going to run a demo. I chose these accounts that I just started. The software will automatically run everyone. You see, these clips are all about crypto and trading. Then I'll give it a pause. According to the process, when people go auto comment by keyword within 7 days, our accounts have been verified by topic. Then we'll go auto warm up follow for you page. Everyone go in the part. This automatic interaction. Everybody go into this automated interaction. And this part of my interactive script is already there. Go to the Add New Script section. And I already have the interactive script. And there's a lot of script action. Everyone can set it up when you do according to your need. And now I will just pick this script out. And I'm going to load out those nicks again. And I go to auto farming. I has this start. When we are raised like this, our account, it's going to have trust active, and our account will be very healthy, and it's totally follow to topic we want. And then it's going to serve what we do in marketing. Go to messaging customers or post topics that are easy to suggest. This is the end of my clip. Bye everyone, and see you all the next clips. Bye!